And lights. It sounds like something you'd see at a rock concert. Well, today these terms are giving us a new way to rejuvenate our skin and erase the signs of aging. Dr. Stubbs leads a team of experts at Aesthetic Medicine. Thanks as always for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so we have two treatments we're going to discuss today, Dr. Ann. Let's start with something called Clear and Brilliant. What is this?
Clear and Brilliant is kind of the newest rage in light-based devices. It's a laser, and it's a low-level laser, and it's non-ablative, meaning it doesn't peel the skin. So it just puts little dots of energy into the skin, so it can erase some pigment that maybe we get over the summer, makes your pores a little smaller, and just an overall nice even tone to your skin. And the best part about this and why women are loving it right now, and men, is that it's very little downtime. You're a little bit red when you leave the office, but you can put sunblock on, you can put makeup on, and the next day it doesn't look like you've had much of anything done, but it is building collagen and working on getting rid of pigment.
I love it. All right, so how long does a treatment take?
Usually the patient's in the office about 45 minutes. We put a little numbing cream on the face first, just to wash the face, and we put the numbing cream on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then the laser procedure itself takes about 15 minutes, a little bit red and flushed afterwards, and we usually recommend you do one a month for a series of about 4, and it can take some browns off, decrease some of the red broken blood vessels, and basically an overall just smoother texture to the skin, and just a brightening to the skin. And that's why people like it so much. No downtime, in and out, and very comfortable.
I love it. All right, yeah, and looking at some of these, I mean, this is just kind of an overall. Is it specific areas that it can treat, or is it just overall brightening?
It's overall brightening, but it does address pigment. So a lot of people after the summer sun, even if they've been good about their sunblock, they see some of the pigment maybe on the sides of the face from driving in a car. Even if you've got a hat on or sunblock when you play golf or tennis, you're going to get a little sun on your face. And through the years, that kind of rears its ugly head as brown spots on the face. So just evening out the pigment, taking down some of the browns, and making it a little brighter.
Okay, Dr. Ann, the second one, onto the light, IPL.
IPL stands for intense pulsed light, and it can also be called broadband light, or BBL. You might have heard that term too. Some people even call it a photofacial, but it's a flash of light, and this one isn't a laser. It's just a certain wavelength of light that targets reds and browns. So people with rosacea, with a lot of red blood vessels maybe on the nose or cheeks, get great relief from this. A lot of the brown spots, if they've been there for a while and need kind of need a little help in leaving, we can deliver that light to the face, and it's very comfortable. It's a flash of light, and it just feels like a little rubber band snap. So very tolerable, very comfortable, no downtime. You can put makeup on right away and go right back to work or child activities or daily activities, so no hiding for a couple days.
And you had said that the results on this too are pretty immediate. We have some before and afters as well of age spots, and that's something I feel like everybody gets. And this is what on somebody's chest.
Yeah, this is a décolleté, and this is an area where a lot of women feel ages them. If they've ignored it for years or not put the sunblock there, the reds and the browns start to come to the surface. And you know, if you're wearing a V-neck, even sweater in the middle of winter, that can be something that's bothersome. So we do treat a lot of necks and décolleté areas, and even hands, the brown spots that tend to come up on the hands. We forget often to put sunblock on our hands, but if you think about it, you're outside all day, you're driving, you're you know, maybe at the pool, tennis court, golf course, anything, the hands get a lot of sun, and that tends to age us because we get the browns and we get the loss of the collagen. So the IPL is something quick and easy, little flash of light across. The dark spots tend to get a little darker, and then they fade over the next 2 to 3 weeks, and we usually say about 3 or 4 weeks later we like to hit that again for a series of about 3 of those to get all those browns gone.
Okay, let's talk about the special package then you have, because it sounds like it is good to do a couple of treatments.
It is, and IPL, all laser treatments, but specifically IPL, we like patients to stay out of the sun, so we usually say right when summer's over, you know, this is a great treatment to start in the fall because you're going to take off all the browns that you, even with your good sunblock, you got over the summer.
Right, right.
So we're doing 30% off all of our packages of Clear and Brilliant and IPL for kind of a fall special, back to school and get the browns gone.
Right, the kids aren't the only ones who need to look good
exactly,
back to school,
exactly.
Right? All right, Dr. Ann, thanks again for being here.
Thanks so much for having me.